This is Greg Medora with the Oily Krafter. Today we're making the holiday lantern with hanger. We purchased this from Geek Dad Laser and Chad Robertson. Board 1, out of 2 boards here, you can see the Glowforge hard at work, etching and cutting the design there. Here's just some still photos of progress going on. Glowforge did a wonderful job using standard 1/8" MDF we purchased. We've been really happy with that. Who was the vendor we got that from? The MDF? At some Etsy shop there. Again, this is finishing up some finishing pictures here on board 1. And they did a wonderful job, all fit on one MDF. Next piece we have here, this is board 2. This is for the actual hanger. You see the Glowforge again doing what it needs to do to make precision cuts for us. We ordered the MDF from Laser Wood Supplies from Etsy. He's based in Woodlawn, Tennessee. Did an outstanding, his name is Alex. Did an outstanding job on delivery, and we placed a couple orders with him. Couldn't be happier with the service that he provides to us, and also want to thank him for his service as a veteran. So we're glad to give him our business and very happy with the quality of product that he provides. You can see there's the cutout bracket. There's the assembled device. A few different views there so you can see it. And then we put a tea light in the bottom of it. Turned the light off in the room tried to for effect, just so you can see the finished product there. We really enjoyed it. You can definitely say it was a tight fit on some of those tabs, and we had to sand them down. If you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching, and have a blessed day.